Krista, James Shaw is a hero, and he's basically following a number of folks who were either victims or, in fact, eyewitnesses to what happened. What is the state accomplishing with these witnesses? Because at the end of the day, what's at issue here is not who did it or how it happened, because most of it's on video, but his intent and whether he had the mindset to understand and appreciate what he was doing. So what are these witnesses doing for this jury and for the state?
Well, this witness in particular is very powerful, and I think what he's doing is demonstrating that Reinking knew right from wrong when he was committing the acts. So you have to put the whole story together, and you have to tell the whole story from beginning to end. And while some of it might not seem like it's relevant to that point, it's his actions ultimately that are going to help the state prove his state of mind and whether or not he had the requisite state of mind and is not falling into the category of not guilty by reason of insanity. So they have to really put all these witnesses on in this way. It's very powerful.
Yeah, it's been incredible. I mean, all day, just listening to some of these stories. I mean, it's been incredible. And actually, you make a great point, because that was going to be my next question. How does the state get to that intent? And you mentioned they're going to talk about some of his actions. Some of the things I've heard already from one of the earlier witnesses was that he drove up angry, and you see him sitting there almost as if he's casing the place. Something's going on there. He's reloading his weapon. Those are the types of things you're talking about when you say this jury is going to have to infer from his actions his intent.
Absolutely. In the opening statement, there was kind of a little bit of a tell on that with the defense, and I didn't know if I were defending this case, if I would go this way. The defense attorney made the point of that he sat in the parking lot and was hoping to get an answer from God about not going in, or that the Waffle House might be empty, which tells me as a listener that this particular defendant knew right from wrong. He knew that killing someone was not what he was supposed to be doing. There is the fact that he is diagnosed schizophrenic and can be mutually exclusive from having the requisite state of mind to kill with the intent to kill and knowing right from wrong.